Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Cornel Rosario. Though Goa may have had high expectations from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, his speech on Goa's Diamond Jubilee of Liberation limited itself to praising Goa's natural beauty, its tourism potential and achievements on good governance. However, there was an impression that Mr. Modi may have sought to appeal to the Christian community, which may not be so happy with the BJP, since he highlighted the role of Catholics in Goa's liberation, his meeting with Pope Francis and extending him an invitation to visit India, and the returning of Queen Saint Ketevan's holy relic to Georgia. He also praised the role of freedom fighters in Goa's liberation.
भारत ने सेंट क्वीन केटेवान के होली रेलिक को जॉर्जिया सरकार को सौंपा है। सेंट क्वीन केटेवान के ये पवित्र अवशेष 2005 में यहां के सेंट ऑगस्टिन चर्च से ही मिले थे। साथियों, जब गोवा की आजादी के लिए संघर्ष हुआ तो सब मिलकर एक साथ लड़े, एक साथ संघर्ष किया था। विदेशी हुकूमत के खिलाफ पिंटोज क्रांति को तो यहां के नेटिव क्रिश्चियन ने ही लीड किया था। यही भारत की पहचान है। यहां मत मतांतर सबका एक ही मतलब है, मानवता की सेवा, मानव मात्र की सेवा। भारत की इस एकता, इसी मिलीजुली पहचान की तारीफ पूरी दुनिया करती है। अभी मैं कुछ समय पहले इटली और वेटिकन सिटी गया था। वहां मुझे पोप फ्रांसिस जी से मुलाकात का अवसर भी मिला। भारत के प्रति उनका भाव भी वैसा ही अभिभूत करने वाला था। मैंने उन्हें भारत आने के लिए आमंत्रित भी किया और मैं आपको जरूर बताना चाहता हूं, जो उन्होंने मेरे निमंत्रण के बाद कहा था। पोप फ्रांसिस ने कहा था, दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट गिफ्ट यू हैव गिवन मी। ये भारत की विविधता हमारी वाइब्रेंट डेमोक्रेसी के प्रति उनका स्नेह है।
While praising Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and his team, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said Goa was known for its natural beauty, but said now Goa has got full marks for being ODF free, 100% Aadhaar enrollment, food security, Prime Minister Gram Sadak Yojana, all-weather road connectivity, and 100% COVID vaccination first dosage coverage. He also chose to underline that had Vallabhbhai Patel been alive, Goa would not have to wait so long for liberation.
आज मैं इस अवसर पर यह भी कहूंगा कि अगर सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल कुछ वर्ष और जीवित रहते तो गोवा को अपनी मुक्ति के लिए इतना इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ता। वो गोवा की एक और पहचान सशक्त कर रही है। ये नई पहचान है हर काम में अव्वल रहने वाले, टॉप करने वाले राज्य की पहचान। बाकी जगह जब काम की शुरुआत होती है या काम आगे बढ़ता है, गोवा उसे तब पूरा भी कर लेता है। टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन के तौर पर लोगों की पसंद तो गोवा रहा ही है, लेकिन अब गुड गवर्नेंस का सवाल हो तो गोवा टॉप पर है। पर कैपिटा इनकम हो तो भी गोवा टॉप पर। ओपन डेफिकेशन फ्री स्टेट के तौर पर गोवा का काम 100%। लड़कियों के लिए स्कूलों में अलग टॉयलेट की सुविधा हो, गोवा 100% फुल मार्क्स। डोर टू डोर कचरे का कलेक्शन हो, यहां भी गोवा 100%। हर घर जल के लिए नल कनेक्शन हो, इसमें भी गोवा 100%। आधार एनरोलमेंट में भी गोवा का काम 100% पूरा।
Prime Minister also felicitated 5 freedom fighters and 2 army men who had participated in Operation Vijay for liberation of Goa. He also virtually inaugurated projects worth 6,500 crore rupees, which included the Super Speciality Hospital and the South Goa District Hospital.
Earlier on Sunday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived at INS Hansa Naval Base in Dabolim to participate in Goa's 60th Liberation Anniversary celebrations. He was received by Governor Sridharan Pillai and Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. The Prime Minister then paid homage at the Martyrs Memorial at Azad Maidan, Panjim, and later witnessed the fly-past and sail parade at the Miramar Beach.
Welcoming the Prime Minister are Come of 31s, the Nausena के Eye in the Sky. हवाई प्रदर्शन करते हेलीकॉप्टर्स के बाद अब बारी है फिक्स्ड विंग वायुयानों की। उनमें सबसे पहले स्वदेश निर्मित डॉनियर विमान।
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, welcome to Goa, welcome to Panaji, welcome to the Miramar Beach.
And the Cobra formation crossing the मंच now. इस फॉर्मेशन का संचालन कर रहे हैं कमांडर अमित शर्मा, उनके साथ हैं लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर प्रतीक और दूसरे विमान में हैं कमांडर अरविंद नायर और उनके साथ हैं लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर सुदीप। 1977 से नौसेना की उत्कृष्ट सेवा प्रदान कर रहा है। आज इस विमान का संचालन कर रहे हैं कमांडर CM फुलसे और लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर M बालासुब्रमण्यन।
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to see the mobile column which has 11 vessels, the Goa Shipyard Limited Army boat.
मंच की ओर बढ़ रही है कोस्ट गार्ड इंटरसेप्टर बोट चार्ली 148। इस जहाज का निर्माण गुजरात में ABG शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड सूरत द्वारा किया गया है।
GRP FRP construction can accommodate around 12 soldiers along with ample arms and ammunition. They have better capabilities and are suitable for high-speed operations even in high-altitude regions. And they achieve a phenomenal 35 knot speed with their twin water jet propulsion.
अरब सागर और ज्वारी नदी के संगम पर गोवा का पहला रिवर सी क्रूज है। आज इस जहाज का पोतारोहण NCC कैडेट्स ने किया है। यह पोत पूर्ण FRP संरचना से बनी है।
Goa is blessed to have the National Institute of Water Sports that conducts 15 different courses from 1 week life-saving techniques to an MBA in sports event management. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of a wonderful event presented by the Indian Navy. A warm round of applause to all the participants and grateful thanks to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi for taking time off and making this event of maritime vibrancy a glorious one with his presence.
Now, let's take a short break.
and sip, go and sip, go and sip, go and sip. Vienna soda.
Johan's Water Resources brings to you Go and Sip, Goa's finest premium packaged drinking water, bottled at the source, untouched and pure.
Welcome back. TMC called for the second liberation of Goa with the strength of their thumb, by which they will press the button while voting. The TMC Goa in charge Mohua Moitra said people will liberate Goa with full force and TMC will provide a platform. TMC Vice President Luisino Falero said that the dream of the freedom fighters was to see that no one is ignorant, no one is poor and no one is unemployed.
Freedom fighter Cyriaco Dias and children of departed freedom fighters were felicitated by TMC on the occasion of 60th anniversary of Goa's liberation. Advocate Siola Vaz also joined the TMC on Sunday.
तांचे स्वप्न आमचे स्वप्न तांचे स्वप्न आशिल्लें की ह्या गोंयांत कोणूय नेणार उरचो न्हय कोणूय गरीब उरचो न्हय कोणूय बेकार उरचो न्हय हें स्वप्न पूर्ण करपाक आमी कश्ट काडपाची गरज आहा आमी वावर करपाचो गरज आहा आमी फुडें व्हरपाचो गरज आहा आनी आयज खरेंच म्हणल्यार जरी तर 60 वर्सां भरतात तांचें पूर्ण स्वप्न पूर्ण जालें ना जायते लोक बेकार आहात बोग करून शिकिल्ले भुरगे बेकार आहात जायते लोक गरीब आहात आनी इकॉनॉमिक मेल्टडाउन जावन सरकाराक मागतात की गोंयकारांक फावो तो आदार फावो तो सहकार दिवपाक.
Goa could be won with full peace or by full force. The people of Goa, with full peace, gave their peaceful mandate in 2017 to the BJP. You have won only 13 seats. But the BJP did not respect that mandate. They came in through the back door. So this is the time that we have to liberate Goa by full force. Please understand. Please understand. We liberate it with full force now. We go in all guns blazing. That is why we are here. We have come here to give you a platform, to give you a symbol on which Goans can fight. Fight not with bullets and swords and cannons, but fight with the strength of democracy, with the strength of their thumb by which they will press the button. So I ask all Goans, we are here for the second liberation of Goa, where the people's mandate will be respected, where there will be an alternative to Goans, which is not the Congress. It's not that we have come to destroy the Congress.
It would have been a great honor and privilege for us, but I know that it is very, very difficult for him to travel. So we would like to offer our congratulations, best wishes, good health, that is very, very important. Bokarun a COVID disan. And many, many years of his life so that we can enjoy the company of our great freedom fighters. आमचे दुसरे सत्कार मूर्ती श्री जे कृष्णा शिरोडकर. जरी तो श्री जे कृष्णा शिरोडकर आमचे बरोबर ना, we are very, very happy and proud that his son Jaydeep Shirodkar आमचे बरोबर आहा. Congratulations. Please convey our congratulations to your father. We are very, very proud of him. and we wish him good health, happiness. Okay, I'm very sorry. Convey my best wishes to your family. खूप खुश जाता की एक खास आमचे टीएमसीचे फॅमिलीचे कुटुंबाचे मेंबर वाईस स्वाती केरकर आमचे मेंबर आज शिवाजी शेठ श्री मुकुंद शेठ हांचो पूत आमचे बरोबर हांव मागता दोगांयकूय हांगासर येवपाक आनी प्लीज I think you will have to get one more dish because Swati Kerkar's father also was a freedom fighter. I'm very, very proud of you. But I'm sorry I was not knowing your father also was a great freedom fighter. But Swati had been a great worker. She has been in the trade union movement. And today she is a proud member of the TMC family. Congratulations, Swati.
Goa Congress has warned Prime Minister Narendra Modi not to venture on the new Zuari Bridge since it is not completed. Girish Chorankar said the Prime Minister should not believe his colleague Nitin Gadkari and the Chief Minister of Goa, who had said that one lane of the bridge would be completed. He also said the Prime Minister should ask for review of the two projects, the electronic manufacturing cluster at Tueng and the IT park at Chimbel, for which the Prime Minister had laid foundation stone in 2016.
2016 आमचो पंतप्रधान गोंयांत आयलो आनी गोंयांत घेवन ताणें असोच एक प्रोजेक्ट इनॉग्रेट केल्लो. तेरा ऑक्टोबर 2016 आमचे पंतप्रधानान अनेक प्रोजेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग क्लस्टर तुवें हो ताणें असोच लॉन्च केल्लो, इनॉग्रेट केल्लो आनी त्याच बरोबर ताणें अनेक प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च केल्लो. आयटी चिंबल हांगा आयटी चे इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें ह्या त्याच दिसा. अशे दोन प्रोजेक्ट 2016 इनॉग्रेट केले. पंतप्रधान कडेन मागता की ताणें मातशी लक्ष मारचें जे ताणें फाउंडेशन घातलेले 2016 2017च्या इलेक्शनाचे पयलीं हे दोनूय प्रोजेक्टाचेर कितें जाल्लें आसा. आतां ह्या प्रोजेक्टा खातीर 5,97,125 स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन ही इलिगली गव्हर्नमेंटान एक्वायर केली, इलिगली घेतले. म्हणजे त्याची लँड एक्विजिशन केले ना. हो आल्वारा प्रॉपर्टी ही आणि थंय आमचे लोकल कितलेशेच ते आल्वारा होल्डर म्हणटात त्यांची जमीन आशिल्ली. सरकाराक कसलोच अधिकार नाशिल्लो ती जमीन बळकावपाची इलिगली. सो ह्या सरकारान ह्या आमच्या लोकांची जमीन आल्वारा जमीन ही इलिगली एक्वायर केली. पंतप्रधानान गोंयच्या सरकारा कडेन वासपूस करची आणि तांकां विचारणी करची. एक म्हणजे हो प्रोजेक्ट पयलीं म्हणजे डिले केलो. प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करचे पयलीं तुमी एक्चुअली जमीन बाकीची सगळी तपासणी करपाक जाय आशिल्ल्यो. कारण देशाचो पंतप्रधान एक प्रोजेक्टाचें इनॉग्रेशन करता आनी तेजेर अभ्यास सारको जायना, तेजेर स्टडी जायना. फक्त इलेक्शन जिखपा खातीर तुमी प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करता. म्हणजे 2017चे लोकांक फुडोवपाक, तरणाट्यांक फुडोवपाक 2016 पंतप्रधानान हो प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च केल्लो.
Now let's take a short break.
Rao eta mojan jola stona. Saru eta ratli dona stona. Ponra wong zaina mojan piena stana. Go and sip, go and sip, go and sip, go and sip, piena stona.
Johan's Water Resources brings to you Go and Sip, Goa's finest premium packaged drinking water, bottled at the source, untouched and pure.
Welcome back. Supporters of former Kansauli Sarpanch Martha Saldana from all 5 panchayats of Kansauli constituency joined the TMC. Goa TMC in charge Mohua Moitra said the idea was to get the BJP out of government in Goa and at the centre. Meanwhile, over 200 grassroots leaders including Raju Cabral, Francisco Carlos Fernandez joined the Goa TMC at Nuve.
The main idea is to get the BJP out. Now whatever we need to do and whatever formations we need to take over time, this is not one battle, it's a long war. Whatever battles are being fought now, we are all leading up to 2024. So it is not just about getting the BJP out of Goa in 2022, it is also about getting the BJP out of Delhi in 2024. So whatever formations we need to do to achieve that, we will do.
Madam, last time when Mamata Banerjee was in Goa, she had made an appeal that people could join, other parties could join. Anything happening on the alliance front? Or
yes, we've got an alliance with the MGP, and in the following days there will be some more alliances coming up.
Meanwhile, over 200 grassroots leaders joined Goa TMC at Nuve.
The party TMC म्हणजे एक बरी पार्टी जी लोकांक पावपाची, लोकांक आदार करपाची आनी आमकां असले मनीस ही पार्टी फाटल्यान रावपाक जे मनीस जावन आसा आमचो जुजे राजू काबरा हो 2 वर्सां लोकांची सेवा केलो आहा तेणें आनी आजून पर्यंत करता. म्हाका सुद्दां राजू बारबो रावल्यार हो आमचो नुवे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचो लोक हुशार आसतलो.
Meanwhile, Goa's 60th liberation anniversary was celebrated in many parts of Goa. Velsapale Isorsim village panchayat felicitated those villagers who had contributed towards the welfare of the 3 villages coming under the panchayat. The senior staff members of the panchayat who had served for nearly 33 years were also felicitated on the occasion of the 60th Liberation Day.
Goa's 60th Liberation Day, the village panchayat of Velsapale Isorsi felicitated our prominent villagers from who have contributed greatly in society, and also especially our senior members of our staff who have served us diligently for the last 33 years. This was an occasion for all of us to celebrate together.
आयज आमचे पंचायतीन आमी 60th लिबरेशन डे सेलिब्रेट केले आसा. गेले लास्ट वीक आमी हे प्रोग्राम आमचे जायते करीत येयलो आसा. आमी एक 2 क्लेनिनस ड्रायव्ह ऑर्गनायज केले. मागीर आमी आमच्या गांवान एक 6-a-side फुटबॉल टुर्नामेंट केला इंटर वॉर्ड फॉर आवर विलेजर्स. तशें आयज आमी आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांक prominent personalities like एक गांवचो सोशल वर्कर जावं काय फुटबॉलर अशे जायते जाणांक आमी फेलिसिटेट केला. आनी एक मेसेज आमी एक आयच्या दिसा पास करूंक सोदता म्हळ्यार ती क्लेनिनसाची.
आयज आमी सेलिब्रेट करता आमचे लिबरेशन ऑफ 60 years. आमी आमच्या पंचायतीन सेलिब्रेट केला. आमी जाणटे तेच्या भुरग्यांक जायते अवॉर्ड दिले आनी आमगे फुटबॉल मॅच आमी कंडक्ट केलेली आनी आमगे विनर्स आनी रनर्स अप आनी इंडिविज्युअल प्रायजीस दिले.
Now, let's take a short break.
Go and sip, go and sip, go and sip, go and sip. Vienna soda.
Johan's Water Resources brings to you Go and Sip, Goa's finest premium packaged drinking water, bottled at the source, untouched and pure.
Welcome back. Perne Municipal Council Goa held flag hoisting on the occasion of Goa's 60th Liberation Anniversary. Chairperson of the Perne Municipal Council, Usha Nagvekar, said Goa had seen a lot of development since liberation. She also stated that women empowerment was also taking place.
स्वतंत्रतेचे तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव शुभेच्छा दिता. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की गोवा राज्य हे 1961 सालांत स्वतंत्र जालें, मुक्त जालें. आणि त्याच प्रमाणे आमी गोंय राज्यातले प्रत्येक नागरीक हे फुडें वचत रावले. आमचे स्वतंत्र सैनिकांनी आपली प्राणाची आहुती दिली. त्याच बरोबर जे देशप्रेमी असले त्यांच्यानी सुद्धा प्रत्येक आपल्या प्रयत्नांनी ह्या गोवा राज्यात मुक्त करपाचे प्रयत्नांत यशस्वी पावलां उखलून आमकां एक नवीन सकाळ दिलेली आसा. आमी जेन्ना म्हणटात गोवा राज्य मुक्त जालें तरी आसतना आमी जी ती पावलां उखलूंक जाय आसली त्या पावलांनी फुडें वचत येयलेले आसा. आमी पळयतात की जायती उदरगत जायत आसा. मागीर ते गोवा राज्याची प्रत्येक मतदारसंघ म्हणा, प्रत्येक तालुका म्हणा किंवा विभागांनी म्हणा, आज आम्ही पळयतात की महिला ह्याच देशभरात ही सशक्त जायत आसा. आम्ही उखललेली पावलां ही खरीच यशस्वी मार्गान वचत आसा. आम्ही जेन्ना म्हणतात, जेन्ना एक महिला म्हणून प्रतिनिधित्व करत असताना आमकांय बी एक उत्साहाची बाब घडून येता जेन्ना आम्ही तुमच्या फुडें एक योजना हाडत वयता. आमचे जे सरकार आसा, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री हेंच्यांनी तर एक साक्ष दिल्लेले आसा की भारत आमची माता आसा आणि ह्याच उद्देशान ते फुडें गेलेले आसा. हे दिसून येता जेन्ना आमच्या देशाची डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर एक महिला जावन आसा किंवा आमची फायनान्स मिनिस्टर सुद्धा एक महिला जावन आसा. आणि त्यांचेच एक मंत्री गोवा राज्याचे हेंच्यांनी सुद्धा प्रत्येक वेळा महिलांक.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thank you for watching Herald TV News. For more news alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.